Ever feel like you're stranded on a desert island, but instead of sand, it's awkward silence? It's like you're surrounded by people, yet you feel completely alone. Yep, that's the friend drought. It's that unsettling feeling when you realize you don't have anyone to share your thoughts with, no one to laugh with, or even just sit in comfortable silence with. You scan the room, hoping to spot a friendly face, someone, anyone to talk to. Your eyes dart from one person to another, searching for a hint of recognition, a smile, or even a nod. Maybe you're new in town, started a new job, or maybe your old friends are busier than a bee in a flower shop. Life changes, and sometimes it feels like everyone else has moved on while you're left behind. Whatever the reason, that feeling of wanting connection is real. But fear not, you're not alone in this experience. Many people have felt the same way at some point in their lives. Just like learning to ride a bike, with a few inevitable wobbles, making friends is a skill you can master. It takes time, patience, and a bit of courage to put yourself out there. It's time to ditch the awkward silences and fill your life with laughter, shared stories, and genuine connections. Imagine the joy of finding people who get you, who share your interests, and who are there for you through thick and thin. Ready to turn that friend drought into a friendship fiesta? Let's go. Embrace the journey, take small steps, and soon enough, you'll find yourself surrounded by a circle of friends who make life all the more vibrant and meaningful. First things first, ditch the fear of rejection. Easier said than done, right? But think about it. The worst that can happen is someone isn't interested in chatting. No biggie. Now that we've tackled that, let's talk strategy. Smiling is your secret weapon. It's like an instant I'm approachable sign. Next, master the art of the conversation starter. Compliment their taste in music, ask about their cool t-shirt, or simply say, "Hi, I'm your name. What brings you here?" Remember, everyone loves to talk about themselves. Ask open-ended questions and really listen to their answers. Follow up with your own thoughts and experiences. Boom, you're having a conversation. So, you've broken the ice. Now what? The key is to keep the conversation flowing without making it feel like an interrogation. Think of it like playing catch. You throw out a question or comment, they throw one back. Keep it light, fun, and engaging. Share a funny anecdote, tell a story about your day, or ask about their interests. People love to talk about things they're passionate about, so pay attention and ask follow-up questions. And here's a pro tip. Remember details from your conversations. Did they mention their dog's name? Ask about Fido next time you see them. It shows you're listening and genuinely interested. Let's face it, awkward moments are inevitable. You might spill your coffee, tell a joke that falls flat, or accidentally call someone by the wrong name. It happens to the best of us. The key is to not let it derail your confidence. Laugh it off, make a self-deprecating joke, and move on. Chances are, the other person found it just as awkward as you did. Remember, vulnerability is endearing. Don't be afraid to be yourself, quirks and all. Authenticity is magnetic and will attract people who appreciate you for who you are. Insecurity is that pesky little voice that whispers, "You're not cool enough," or "They wouldn't want to be your friend." It's that nagging feeling that makes you doubt yourself and your worth. But here's the thing, don't listen to it. Everyone has insecurities, even the people who seem the most confident. It's a universal experience, and it's important to remember that you're not alone in feeling this way. The key is not to let these insecurities hold you back from forming meaningful connections. Instead, focus on your strengths and what makes you unique. Think about the qualities that make you, you. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a victory. Take time to reflect on your achievements and the positive traits you bring to the table. Write them down if you need to, and remind yourself of them often. This practice can help build your confidence over time. The more confident you are in yourself, the easier it will be to connect with others. Confidence is attractive and it draws people in. When you believe in yourself, others will too. Building connections is about being genuine and open. Show interest in others, ask questions, and share your own stories. Authenticity is key in forming lasting friendships. And remember, friendship is a two-way street. It's about give and take, mutual respect, and understanding. Don't waste your time on people who don't appreciate you for who you are. It's okay to walk away from relationships that don't serve you. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and value your presence. Life is too short to spend it with those who don't see your worth. There are plenty of awesome people out there who will love your sense of humor, your taste in music, and your passion for collecting rubber duckies. Embrace your quirks and let your true self shine. Remember, the right friends will appreciate you for all that you are. So be yourself, stay confident, and the right people will come into your life. Section 6. Quality over quantity. A few good friends is all you need. Newsflash: you don't need a gazillion friends to be happy. In today's world, social media often makes us feel like we need to have hundreds or even thousands of friends to be fulfilled. But that's far from the truth. In fact, having a small circle of close friends can be way more rewarding than trying to be besties with everyone you meet. These are the people who truly understand you, who know your quirks, and still love you for who you are. Focus on building genuine connections with people who share your values, interests, and sense of humor. It's these shared experiences and common ground that create the strongest bonds. Whether it's a shared love for hiking, cooking, or just a good laugh, these activities bring you closer. These are the friends who will be there for you through thick and thin, who will laugh with you and at you, and who will always have your back. They are the ones who will support you during tough times and celebrate with you during the good ones. So ditch the pressure to be the life of the party and focus on nurturing the relationships that truly matter. It's not about the number of people you know, but the depth of the connections you have. Quality always trumps quantity. A few good friends are worth more than 1,000 acquaintances. They bring joy, support, and a sense of belonging that can't be matched by a large crowd. So cherish those few good friends, because they are truly priceless. Section 7. Building your tribe, finding your people. So, where do you find these mythical creatures called good friends? They're not hiding under rocks, probably. The key is to put yourself out there and explore your interests. Join a club, take a class, volunteer for a cause you care about, or strike up a conversation with someone at your local coffee shop. The more you put yourself out there, the more likely you are to meet people who share your passions. And don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Try something new, meet people from different backgrounds, and expand your horizons. You never know where you'll find your next best friend. Section 8. The gift of friendship. Why it's worth the effort. Let's be real. Life is better with friends. They make us laugh, they lend a listening ear, and they celebrate our victories and commiserate over our losses. Friendships enrich our lives in countless ways, from boosting our happiness and well-being to providing a sense of belonging and support. They make us feel seen, heard, and understood. So, the next time you're feeling hesitant about reaching out to someone new, remember the incredible gift that friendship is. You never know, that person could become your new partner in crime, your confidant, or your biggest cheerleader. Section 9. Go forth and befriend. You've got this. Making friends can seem daunting, but remember, it's a journey, not a race. Be patient, be yourself, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The world is full of amazing people just waiting to meet you. So go forth and befriend. Smile at that stranger, strike up a conversation, and let your awesome self shine. You've got this, friend. Now go make some memories.